In this video, we'll go over some examples of using a Blender Python building block for converting HEX color code values into RGB values that Blender would understand. Hey, we'll be covering 3 examples of using this building block. I'm not going to be covering the implementation of this building block, so all this code right here, I made a separate video where we start with a blank script and get to this point right here. If you're interested, check that video out. I'm just going to be going over the examples of using this code. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how you can get this code without having to copy it around into every single script you have. All right, so for your first example, we're going to just keep it simple by creating a plane, right? We're going to use a color, right, that we copied from the internet. For example, let's go to like a random hex color code generator. I'm just going to copy this right here. I'm going to paste it in, right? We're going to take this hex code right here. We're going to convert it to an RGBA color value. We're going to create a plane, create a new material, assign the RGBA color value that we just got right here to the diffuse color of the material, and then apply the material to our new plane that we created. So I don't have anything in my scene. I'm gonna go ahead and run the script, and as you can see, I have the color applied. You can take a look into the material properties and make sure that this hex value is exactly what we have right here. By the way, I'll be posting a link to all these code examples in the description, so make sure to check that out if you're interested in following along at home. For the second example, I'm just going to paste it in right here. I'm going to clear the scene by hitting HEX and then delete. So here we're just adding an icosphere with some subdivisions, shading it smooth. Setting the background color to black, turning on the cycles rendering engine, and then adding 2 area lights and using our building block, converting these colors right here and setting the colors of those lights. So not only in the previous example, we're getting an RGB value, there's also a way to get just an RGB value in this building block package. So let's take a look by running this code, and you can see it is it's done running. I'm going to hit Control Space to get a better view, hit Z and then render. So this is the cycles rendering engine, and you can see that we have these 2 lights. Again, you're probably copying these colors somewhere from your color palette that you want to use, or somewhere from a website that provides these colors. So this is example number 2. All right, for example number 3, let's see here. We have a list, right? So this could be a color palette, a list of colors in that color palette. And we're creating a list of materials. So we're looping over these hex color codes. We're getting the RGBA color value, creating a new material, and then adding it to a list of materials. And then we're just generating a number of icospheres in a circle with different radiuses, and we're randomly selecting one of the materials that we created right here. So let's take a closer look. I'm going to clear the scene by hitting HEX and then delete. And then let's run the script. It's going to take a second. There are no lights in the scene, so I'm going to hit Z and hit material preview. So you can see that here's the scene that was generated. So you can see there's a color palette being used. Let's generate the scene again. I'm just going to delete everything and run it again. and it's going to take a second. So you can see that it's using that color palette and using the a random choice of the materials and applying to each one of these icospheres. All right, now let's take a look how we can replace all this building block code right here with just one line. So I'm just gonna paste the final example. So it's the code of the example is the same. It's from example number 3, but all of this code right here is commented out, meaning that we're not using, and we're just using the single line that imports all that functionality, and you could use it in your script. Right, to get this Python package, you'll need to get a special package that I've created with other building blocks that's similar to this. To get this Python package, you need to open up your web browser and type in cgpython.com/bpybb in the address bar, and this will redirect you to Python package add-on that you can install in Blender, and it will give you access to this Python package to run in your scripts. So right here down below, you just download the zip archive as you do with any other Blender add-on. As soon as that's done downloading, you can go back into Blender, hit Edit, Preferences, Install, navigate to where you downloaded the add-on, select Install. As soon as that's done installing, hit the check mark right here, and then you're good to go. So let's delete everything from the scene, and let's run that script. And as you can see that we still can run this code. So all this code that's commented out, let me actually go ahead and delete that code. So all of this could still be executed with just one line that adds all that functionality. I've also created a separate video for installing this particular Python package through pip. If you know what that is, you can check out this video right here. And I hope you learned something today and enjoyed this video. So make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.